What's up, everybody? P-Double's back on a Sunday night. It is Little Grande time. Little Grande? That's National Treasures in there. What? Should be a fun one. Happy Easter to everybody. Hope you're having a very warm and blessed one. Lots of candy. Lots of chocolate bunnies. We roll the dice. How many times we're going to randomize the break? We re-roll if it's snake eyes. Good luck. That is a 1 and a 4. So 5 times. All day yesterday, Newcomb. Yesterday, 7s galore. Yeah, yesterday we had tons of 7s. All right, we're going to run through the list of all the players. Please pay close attention. Make sure I've got you locked and loaded as many times as you're supposed to be. See anything amiss, let me know. Holla, scream at me in the main chat. Here we go. We got Hurley, JB with 2, Dog Fan, Irish Chef with 2, The One Man, Tommy Golf, Superstar with 2, Dog Fan with another 9-inch nail. Shake it up, TMG. And then we've got Brian Peralt, B. Bowley, Ryan H., B. Bowley, Pink Cheesecake. They all joined this break in a very special way. JDM only, J-Con with 2, JB with a 3rd, White Sox fan, Casey, Triton, JJ, Soup, Shoe, True Blue with 2, and Coach D. Last spot, Mojo! Come back to main chat. See if anybody's screaming at me. All right. Yeah, Joaquin feels the same way, Aaron. Joaquin hates when I roll 7s and he's in the break. All right, 5 times. Good luck, everybody. Let's shake it up. 1. Brian Peralt up top. Coach D, where it began, down below. 2. 3 minutes. KJ Torres, my number 1 hole on 4. 5th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC Love and Easter Mojo on 5 times. Hurley up top. Irish Chef down below. 5 times. Here are the numbers. Grab your numbers like they hot. Alright. Let's copy and paste that into a noob. Bold. 14. To the tubes! Okay. You got it, Ryan Nance. Is TMG? I gotta text TMG. I don't know if he's in the room or not. Alright. We got our 4 combo spots for the mixers. They are Bills, Bengals, Cowboys, Patriots, Broncos, Chiefs, Saints, G-Men. Everyone else rolling solo, alphabetical. Down Lambskins. Let's shake this thing up 5 times. Good luck. 1. Bears up top. The Jets down below. 2. Trivity. Oh. 5th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC Love and Mojo 5 times. The Dolphins up top. the Vikings down below. 5 times. There she is. Hopefully I've got ahead enough time. Ooh. All right. We got Hurley with the Dolphins. Tommy Golf. I can't stop getting you the Texans. Shoo! Broncos, Chiefs, JG, the Panthers, Coach D, the Jets, 9-Inch Nails, Steelers, the One Man, the Browns, B. Bowley, Redskins, Ryan H, the Eagles, JB, the Bucks, JDM only, the Ravens, Dog Fan, yeah! My PC, love Dirty Birds, Soup! The Saints, G-Men, B. Bowley, Bills, Bengals, J-Con, Cardinals, Pink Cheesecake, in your face, Ryan. The Niners, JB, Seahawks, and the Bears. White Sox fan, Casey, the Colts, True Blue, Chargers, Dog fan, the Titans, Bri Peralt, the Jags, Tommy Golf, Superstar, the Raiders, J-Con, the Rams, Triton, the Packers, Irish Chef, Lions, True Blue, Cowboys, Patriots, Irish Chef, the Vikings. Alright, trade away. Sail away. Come sail away, come sail away. Sail away with me. Alright, let me know anything confirmed when we get back. About 5 minutes. right. Anything confirmed. TMG. Got it. True. I will not. I will. I will flame retardant the Tom Brady before I ship it to you. How awesome would that be? You sit there trying to light it on fire, it won't light. Why won't this damn Brady burn? Again, soaking in kerosene, rubbing alcohol, and turpentine. Set that thing ablaze. I don't have Soup's number, brother. All right. Is there anything going down? Any deals getting done? But what if a huge Steelers card comes out and you can sell that and buy all the Giants cards you want? Right? Let's get straight down. That's great. Oh, too funny, man. All right. I'm not seeing any trades. Please let me know if I'm missing one or any sales or trades. Y'all ready? Yeah, that's what I'm seeing, people. So many teams are for trade, but it's like, well, no, I'm not going to trade my team for that team. All right. We'll see if we can get a melted helmet. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It should be a fun one. Should be fun if we can see it. There we go. Langford. T.Y. Hilton. Goal! 40 of 75 on T.Y. Hilton. Right out of the gate. Don't burn it for the Patriots. Trey Flowers. Don't burn it, True Blue. Break over. Product dead. Be a bit of cheat. Jared Aberdera's gold. Numbered 89 of 99. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Defensive Rookie of the Year. For the Chiefs, Marcus Peters. Beast. I like that. I like that. Shoo! Solid right there. Yeah. JG, do you still have that that Marcus Peters Contenders? That draft pick one that we pulled that one time? You do? Did you do that? I looked around. I wasn't sure if that was the SSP one. Green, Connor Shaw. Nice again. 23 of 50 on the Connor Shaw. And Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. It is the SSP? Nasty. Yeah. We saw that and we're like, dude, I haven't seen this pose before. Nasty. Ryan H. with the Eagles. Solid box right here. Sometimes you don't get any rookies in a box. Oh, two nice ones. Yeah, in his, I think, the dark UW jersey. Green for the G-Man, Andre Williams. 42/50. Ooh, love field access. Nice little start. We'll check out a high tech. We'll try we'll see one of the photos. We'll check out Strata. The other high tech. Maybe another photo. Alright, high tech. We're ready for something in this case to blast. There we go. Kelvin. Clay Matthews, 7 of 50. For the Jets, Devin Smith. JTS. Coach D. Kevin White. Barris Sanders. Derek Carr. Jalen Strong. Derek Carr. Alright, let's check out. Stay up, Kane. Jeez. Alright, let's check out one of the 8x10s. See what we got. Good luck. Roger Worley for the Cardinals. Hall of Famer 07. Who got the Cardinals? J-Con. Oh. Nice. The 2-bar face mask. Yeah. So, just a reminder, if anybody hits an 8x10, they're going to be shipped separately from the cards so that the cards don't dig into the photos. So, don't be alarmed if you get if you hit a photo and, like, you know, your card package shows up and the photo isn't there. It's on its way. But they'll be shipped separately so that they don't get all spooked up. Fold. Do the corner to corner fold. Bang. That'll work. Solid. For the Cardinals, 346 of 800. David Johnson. Sick. Cardinals go back-to-back. Roger Worley, David Johnson. Solid, solid, solid. And number 26 of 50, second Aguilar already off the break. Number to 50, we get a nice one-color patch. Yay. Ryan H. That's sexy, huh? Strong box of Strata, though. Strong. Sick patch, bruh. So patchy. All right. High tech. He wants the art card. You seen that graffiti stuff? That baseball graffiti? How weird is that stuff? We've got a 1 of 1. Ty Montgomery and Isaiah Crowell. 1 of 1. Yes. Yes, we did it for the Browns. The one man. Jeez. Dante Fowler Jr. for the Jags. Bry Peralt. I mean, really, of all the 101s, Lawrence Taylor. Ronnie Lott. That's nice. We got Blades. That's the second Blades Eric Armstead we pulled. That's the toughest background to find. So short print on the Niners, Eric Armstead. Max Williams, Eddie Lacy. 1 of 1. Stupid Isaiah Crowell. Come on, man. Jeez. See, B-Boy, we love it. We pulled friggin' Emmett. We pulled 2 Emmett Smiths. We pulled some crazies. A whole bunch of Mariotas, Winstons. We pulled some cray out of there. Mariota, the Mariota autograph to 5. Yeah, I'm Bryce. I've done the same thing. I've probably bought about 6 boxes. I've gotten nothing. I've done like 6 on my own. I've gotten nothing. All right, let's check out another 8x10. See what we got. Here we go. Good luck. Is that Charles? No, DeMarcus Ware. Sick for the Cowboys. Nasty. Cowboys. True blue. Dang. What? Fold it for him. That's awesome, dude. I like that. Dang. That's gross. Signed perfect. PSA DNA'd up, too. But no card. Where's the PSA DNA card? Yeah, they slide everything in the photo there. I've seen one of the hidden treasures pulled. It sits back here. With the tag. All right, here we go. Let's get platinum. Then we'll check out the last photo. We'll do the mini helmet. Then main event. National Treasures. Oh, JB. There's our thickie. We won't peeky. No peeky. No peeky. What up, Celtic? You want monster? How about 1 of 1? Isaiah Crowell. It really should just say monster. Irish Chef, you have the Lions and the Vikings. And we are still efforting both of those teams. Just show the 1 of 1. Yeah, you got a 1 of 1. One Duke Johnson would have been badass. I've been very pleased with that. Not so much Isaiah Crowell. If you're a Nelson Aguilar fan, you love this break right now. So far, 2 Aguilars. I know, but it's his second year. You know, I know. Duke Crowell began his career at University of Georgia. David Pollock got them all in trouble by having him announce it on the radio, and it wasn't supposed to be done that way. David Pollock got Isaiah Crowell all fooked up that way. Just a start. Not to mention Isaiah was a head case at Georgia. Bring on LeBron. Alright, come on, Skinny Autos. Hook us up. Let's get something filthy out of Platt. Todd Gurley, X-Fractor. Tom Brady, Platinum Player. Stephon Diggs, X-Fractor. Rashad Perriman, X-Fractor. Alright, we should have 2 Skinny Autos on this side. There's one. Leonard Williams, X-Fractor. Rashad Perriman, 1 per box, blue, parallel. There's a Skinny Auto. Yay. For the Jets, Austin Hill. Yeah. Coach D. Devin Smith like that. Okay. There it is. For the Colts, Josh Robinson. White Sox fan, KC. Alright. Come home, thick autograph. Come on, RPA. Jeremy Langford, X-Fractor. There's some nice base cards in there. Some nice X-Fractors. Here we go. Come on, give us a good RPA. Make sure, nope, go this way. Got David Cobb, Gerald McCoy, and 3 color for the Dirty Birds, Tevin Coleman. Dog fan. Woo woo. You stop it. Much better than Melee. Much better. Although never heard about Vince Melee slipping in the shower. So at least Vince has that going for him, which is nice. All right, last 3 boxes. Big hitters coming, hopefully. If you are still hitless, hopefully we can get you on the board. On these last 3, you know, if you remain hitless, I will send you something. With a shot at something nice. Wow, Jack Pardee for the Titans. Oh. Boom. Look at that. Only person to head coach the NFL, NCAA, USFL, the World Football League, and the Canadian Football League. Junction Boys. Ah, he was one of the Junction Boys. Nasty. I like that. Very cool. Titans. Dog fan. I like ones we don't see very often. That's cool. Party in his pants. All right, mini helmet. Y'all know same thing rules for the memorabilia down below the screen. If we do find one of the redemption cards, if it does not say who it's supposed to be, then it'll be random to the entire group break. But if it does have the specific player, it goes to the rules down below. Good luck. Here we go. Ready for a big banger mini helmet. What? Who? Tommy Golf, I need your help, man. Well, fresh Hall of Famer. Hall of Fame 2015. For the Vikings. Irish Chef. Yep. Newcomb got it right. I've never heard of him. Mick Tingelhoff. Mick Tingelhoff. Huh. Guess I should pay more attention to the Hall of Fame enshrinements again, huh? Maybe German. Maybe of German descent. Related to David Hasselhoff? Gotta be. Alright, that was a new one. That was a definite new one. Wow. I'll never forget Tingelhoff now. Yeah. Yeah, I heard that they've been putting the tickets on, sitting there on top. We always look through it all just to make a show. No, this is it for me tonight. I know KTA has a PYT going on right now. I'm in that one. But this will be a wrap for me tonight. Nothing. I don't know. I don't even know. Does Diamond come out next week? I don't know what comes out next week. Alright, here we go. NT. Stupid commercials. Stupid Tingelhoff. Do me. Off the bottom, 89 of 93 for the Dolphins, Domkin Soup. Number 2 of 10, Nick Foles for the Rams. Numbered 15 of 49, Super Bowl MVP, 3-color for the Broncos, Von Miller. Shoo. Numbered 8 of 99. I think that's our first 49ers card. 2-color Mike Davis. Pink cheesecake all up in Ryan's face. That one's cool. Mike Singletary, Brian Urlacher, 33 of 49. I like that. JB. I like that one. It says game worn. Game worn on the back. And this will be a random. Numbered 16 of 25. Be random between the Chargers and the Vikings. Melvin Gordon, Trey Waynes. Irish Chef. And True Blue. Unless y'all want to work something out, we will roll the die on that one. Next up, all up in Ryan's grill. Number 2 of 1 of 25. Oh my Lord, that's an eBay 101. 2-color chunky Mike Davis. Pink cheesecake. Isn't it insane, JDM? These boxes are hand packed. A Panini representative hand packs these boxes. And they decide to put 2 of the same player in the same box. Numbered 16 of 99 for the Packers, Quentin Rollins. Triton. That's that super thicky one. It's always confused us. Don't know why it does that. Well, I don't know which one to show first. Let's show this one first. This is gross. Numbered 4 of 14 for the Vikings. K from the freaking chest logo and glove. Stephon Diggs, Irish Chef. That's gross. That was nasty. That was filthy. After Chunky Davis was Quentin Rollins for the Packers. And Hall of Famer, last card. Good luck, everybody. And you know, if you win hitless, I will hook you up with a pack with a shot at something. But last card, Hall of Famer Andre Reed, green, numbered 1 of 5. Oh my Lord, that's an eBay 101. Be bowly. Shake it up. Well, we got 2 boxes left in that case. Gotta imagine. We got something on swole. Ready to pop. Steelers for Bills confirmed. All right. Thank you guys all so much. Happy Easter. I'm sorry if I could not get a hit for you. Hopefully we can get the mojo for you next time. And the packs I send. We have one random to do. Melvin Gordon, Trey Waynes. You got it, Soup. Very cool. So we will go 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom, 1, 2, 3 Chargers, 4, 5, 6 Vikings. Good luck, Chargers and Vikings. Vikings, take it down. Irish Chef, you crushed it. You got Ticklehoff, Diggs, and the duel. Vikings crushed it. I think that the Tickleberry really pulled that break together. But Jack Pardee and the DeMarcus Ware photos were badass. Andre Reed to 5. That Diggs, Isaiah Crowell 101, Aguilar, David Johnson, Aguilar, Marcus Peters. Not too bad. No problem, JB. Nah, like I said, KTA has PYTs filling right now. This is a wrap for me tonight. I have a bunch I want to get to started right now so that I can get 100% shipped out tomorrow. I really want to get everything out tomorrow. Again, if you did hit a photo, the photos are going to be shipped separate from the cards. So if you get one of the packages before the other, don't freak out on me. They're both coming. So, thank you, Bryce. Happy Easter. Pat, I'm not in Vegas yet. I'll be. I get to Vegas on May 8th. Yeah, Trev. I'll just send you a picture of your package. That's what she said. This. Hopefully this, Pat. I'm hoping that I can keep breaking full time like I am now. But if it all falls apart, I'll get on a radio station or sports book or something out there. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. I'm not worried about employment. I'll be fine. Oh, dang. That's one. What's that number to? 5? 15? I see. That's pretty nasty, dude. True Blue? No, it's not. In Clark County, it's illegal. You got to go outside of Clark County. It's the craziest thing. Prostitution is illegal in Clark County, but as soon as you get out of Clark County, yep. JDM knows. Yeah. But it's, I mean, if you're in your hotel in Las Vegas, you go to the phone book. Go to the phone book, open it up to the entertainment section. Just go to the E's. You find entertainment, and you'll find all the little cards that the smut peddlers hand out. They're all in the yellow pages. So you just call one of those numbers, and they'll send somebody to your room. Oh, that's cool, Sid Gilman. That's cool. I still have. I want to pull a cut. I better get a cut out of one of my cases here. We're halfway through. We did 2 case breaks, and we're halfway through case number 3. I've got the other 2 from that case, and 2 more cases left after that. So, in the same case. I seen another one. I seen another cut, but I didn't recognize the signature. Yeah, it wasn't anybody I recognized the signature from. More treasure chests. Yeah. I was hoping we'd find a crazy banger out of that. Something's coming. Something's coming in one of those 2 next NT boxes. Yesterday's was, solid, just like tonight's, but something's gonna crush, I think. Oh, show. But I'm gonna jump on off out, y'all. Go hang out with KTA and Irving, see what they up to. Y'all have a very, very blessed rest of your Easter. Hopefully it is awesome. I'm gonna get to work. I got a lot of work to do. I want to get it done. Get it all out by tomorrow. Alright. Take it easy, Nuke. Have a blessed one. Take it easy, Dustin. Don't eat all your Easter candy tonight. Save some for tomorrow. That's why I gotta go tomorrow and buy up all the 50% off. 2 for 1 Easter candy tomorrow. Don't forget. Swing by your stores. Get half-price candy. Have a good night. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. Whatever's releasing, we'll have it. And if nothing's releasing, then we'll do Grandes, National Treasures, all that other good stuff in it. All right, well, take it easy. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. Have a blessed one. Hopefully KJ Tours will be back tomorrow. Shake it.